Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this new year. I've seen like so many videos of like we walking slow, don't touch anything. Let's just see how it's gonna go. I am personally a big fan of just making lifestyle changes, not just making New Year's resolutions, and making realistic goals that you know you're gonna stick to. I decided to start off this year with a bullet journal video. I'm showing you guys a simple layout of what I did, how I started my bullet journal for this year. Very simple, guys. I'm not very good at drawing, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful and productive year starting from today. So this is the book that we have, a very pretty gorgeous jungle printed bullet journal, regular plain. It's from a local brand called It's Pretty Productive. In the back we have their branding, their number, and the gorgeous jungle print. It's a very plain bullet journal. Inside we have I've stuck a little envelope here just for a little extra storage and a pocket, and then I put inside here I have my business card. The first page I wanted to be a title page, you know, I wanted people to know who it belongs to, so I just put my name. And for me, when I start off, I don't know, I just love black and gold, so this is the layout. Next I have 2021. I just must put the year, and then I have a lovely quote. I absolutely love this quote. It really stood out to me and just spoke to me, so I had to write it. It says, "One day you will tell your story of how you overcame what you went through, and it will be someone else's survival guide," by Brent Brown. That just meant so much to me. That is exactly what I stand for. Next I have a year at a glance 2021. Basically like all of the months, and very simple washi tape decorations. Next, a key. You cannot have a bullet journal without a key. I just have task, complete, important, event, and date. It's very simple, nothing too fancy, and then this little print decoration. Next, important dates. I have not filled in this yet, because I want to get all my dates together to kind of know how I want to organize it on this page. My yearly budget into months. At the end of each month, I kind of have I like to put the total that I spent on each month to see how my year went, how much I spent, how much I saved, that kind of thing. Then I have a page for social media. I didn't complete this yet because I have so many, and I just want to put like my usernames and passwords and stuff like that. Then I left these two blank. This is for my business pages, as well as my emails and the passwords, all of those things, and any other accounts that I have. Goals. We have a lot of goals, and we just have to find one place to put it. So I have two businesses, Kavan's Shop as well as Kavan's Jewels. Many of you will know Kavan's Jewels. So I put some goals for that, just simply like drawing off the boxes. I think that they just, I don't know, I really love this layout. And then my health goals, finance goals, as well as school, because you all know I still go to school. Very simple decoration again. Life roles. I struggle with time management and knowing all of the duties that I have to do in my life, because I am a part of so many different things. So I literally just want to lay it out here, lay down, like list out everything that I'm a part of, and so I will be able to visually see what my roles are, what my duties are, what I have to do, you know. Then we jump right on into January. This is the title page of January. I really just followed a guide from Pinterest. I love how this turned out. I'm not very good at drawing, guys, so this was like very simple. It's mountains with pine trees and stars, January. And so I moved on into, if you realize, I transitioned from black and gold into silver and gray. And then we have our month layout of January. Very simple again, but I kept it black. I added a little bit of blue. This layout, this calendar, I realized I've made it actually very small, but I like to have a little space to put some notes for the month, things that I know I must achieve, things like that. And then I have a little sticker here as well as here. These stickers are actually from It's Pretty Productive. They have a lovely sticker collection that I got. Then we move on into our first week spread. I literally just did. So obviously our first week starts from Friday, so I just wanted to do Friday to Friday. This week is kind of weird, so I did straight from Friday to Friday, 8 boxes. Very simple boxes. All of these stickers that you see here are actually from a Spiritually Productive collection. Every Wednesday I have meetings for my business, so I love that they have these meeting stickers. They have organized, they have these gorgeous. I'm yet to fill out and fill in the things that I have to do, but that is it straight up until my weekly spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want to continue seeing me plan for my week and see the rest of my bullet journal as I go throughout my year planning.